All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Oh my goodness, what a great video we had before. What a great video. We were able to register an admin. And today I am going to show you guys how to register a user. And we're going to go ahead and display the users, and we're going to try to see if we can block some of the pages using authorization. So let's get on this. All right, so we left the let me go ahead and open the areas. Let's go ahead and go to identities. Let's go to the account. Let's go inside the register. Not that one. Let me go here, register. This one here. All right. So down here we have to, okay, so in order to register a new user, we have to change this over here. So see how this one says bar user. So let's get rid of that. And here, what we're going to do is we are going to use new application user. And in here, what we're going to do is, of course, we got to bring the application user. So let's go ahead and implement that. Let's go ahead and bring it in from models. The very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do username. And this one I'm going to make that equal to input.email. The next one I'm going to do is going to be email. And this one is going to be input.email. Next one, we're going to have the company ID. And this one, we're going to do input.company ID. Then we got street address. And then we're going to do input.street address. And then we have city. This one is going to be input.city. And here, what we're going to do is we're going to do the state. And here, what we're going to do is go ahead and input that state. And then we have postal code. And this one's going to be input that postal code. And then we have name. We want to do input dot name. And then we have phone number. Okay, and then we're going to do input that phone number. Okay, hold on. I messed up here. Phone number. And then the last one is going to be role. And this one, we want to make it equal to role. And I'm sorry, it's going to be input dot role. Sorry about that. Input that role. Okay. 1 second. All right. So we have that. So let me uncomment this out. So here, what I'm doing is I'm creating an if statement. Is saying user roles if it's equal to null, that you want to go ahead and create a new user. Else, if you want to create a company, if there's no company, you want to go ahead and create a company name. And then here, I'm going to go ahead and uncomment this. What I did is I'm redoing the whole thing for the database. So I created a migration. I deleted the database. So I created a new migration. So that way, go ahead and register an admin and also register a user. So now that we have that, I'm going to go ahead and go to the admin inside the control. Here, I am going to, let me see what it is. So here, I created a controller. And this one here is for the inside the admin. So this one here is called UserController. And what I did is I implemented the application database context. So what I did is I injected, I initialized it, then I created an index. And here, what I did is this is going to be for the API. So here, what I did is I created an action result, get all. Then I create a variable for user list. And here, what I want to do is I want to include the company. All I'm doing is grabbing the context, application users, including the company to list. And here I'm putting the user role. Also want to do it to list and roles, and also the roles. In this here, I want to go ahead and do a for each. And what I'm doing is I'm grabbing the user from the user list, and then I'm passing the role ID, and also the role. And here I'm going to pass the company. If there's no company, I want to go ahead and create an empty one. So then here I want to return a JSON. So that way we can go ahead and return the API. All right. So now that we have that, the next thing I want to do is go ahead and create a view for the here. Let me see, create a folder with the view, and here is going to be called user. And inside here, we're going to create a view, and inside there, it's going to be empty. And let's go ahead and do the index. That's empty. And then we're also going to create another one for the user. So here we're going to create another one, and this one is going to be user. Hold on a second. Let's go ahead and new item. And let's go down to where it says JavaScript right here. It's going to be user JS. Okay. So that's that. All right. So in my application, inside the GitHub repository, I have actually 2 files in there. I also have them over here. So what I did is I just created that because it looks identical. It looks identical like the other ones. So instead of typing in everything, so what I did, I just copy that. So like you can actually grab, you can grab this one if I think this one, yeah. So you can actually grab that and kind of modify. So, but don't worry, you guys can get it from my GitHub. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy that one inside the index. I'm going to copy that over here like that. And let me go ahead and build the application so you guys can see. All right, cool. So I build it. See, it's all there. So if I hit add user, it's going to navigate to this here. So if you want to create a new user, you can actually do it here. All right. So now we actually, in order to display the users, we have to actually do copy the one for the user JS. And I'm going to go over here. Actually, let me go ahead and close all the tabs. Okay, so I am going to go over here down. There's a file for that, and I'm going to go ahead and copy this. You guys can do the same thing. Okay, so I'll copy that. So in other words, what I'm doing is I'm declaring the ID here, and I'm wrapping it up inside the data table, which is coming. It's coming from the index page. So over here, yep, see right here. So make sure you declare over here in the bottom of the page. Oh, that's the wrong one. Sorry. Supposed to be, that's for the blog. Supposed to be user right here. So make sure you include it on the bottom. All right. So that's that. All right. So we have everything. So now I am going to go here, go ahead, Control R, and I'm going to go ahead and register an admin again. So I'm going to go ahead, admin, phone number, that's that, just make up a number, address, Winter Haven, Florida, that's that. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is I'm going to do admin@gmail.com. Okay. That's that. Okay, we hit register. If everything, okay, everything went well, perfect. Okay, cool. So now, let me go ahead and log out real quick. Okay, cool. So now we're going to go back to the application inside the identity over here. What I'm going to do is I am going to go to register here, and down with the down on the bottom of this over here, I am going to go ahead and comment this out. This one here, because we already have an admin now. So I want the application to create now a regular user. So now I'm going to go back over here. And of course, you got to rebuild the application again. Every time you change something in application on the back end, you want to make sure you restart the application again. So now we'll go ahead and register another. Now we're going to go ahead and register a user. So I'm going to put this one guest phone number. I'm going to make it up. That's that. I'm just going to put the same address. Zip code. Okay, so this one is going to be guest@gmail.com. Go ahead and register. Boom, we got 2. All right. So now let me log out. Let me go ahead and go to the admin.user. Well, see, I have registered admin and I guess voila. See, and also right here it's telling me the phone number. See the phone number, and that is supposed to be over here. Well, okay, anyways, we'll fix that afterwards. So now the next thing I want to do is so here what I did is in the dropout over here it says admin panel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the navigation here. I'm going to go to the layout. I'm going to go over here where it says views, share. I'm going to go to layout. And right where it says panel, I have 2 links over here. I'm going to uncomment that. All right, cool. So I'm going to hit make a Control R again. That's perfect. Okay, cool. So now it's of course I got to create that. I got to create the one for the company. Here we're going to do for the users. See, that's that. See, like we have a guest and we have an admin. All right, cool. So that's that. And if you want to create a new one, you can. See, you can go back. So now if you want to toggle, yeah, see, it's pretty cool. And you can search. Say you can search, you can do admin. Amazing. All right, cool. So we got products. We can add new products. So you can add a new product. See, we can add it nicely. So let me go back over here. See, we can actually add up a picture. We can do all of that. So now what I'm going to do is I want only to have access to the admin. So a regular guest, I don't want the guest to actually access that. So let's go ahead and do some blockings on the page. So I'm going to show you how it's done over here in ASP.NET Core. All right. So you guys want an example, and then you guys can do, do it on your own. But what I'm going to do is I am going to block the panel only just for admin. So I'm going to start over here where it says admin. I'm going to start inside the controllers. I'm going to go here where it says product. No, not products. I'm going to go product. Right here, product controllers. I'm going to do this one. And what I'm going to do is here I am going to put authorize like that. And I'm going to do roles. And inside the roles, I'm going to do SD. SD. We got to bring authorize. We have to implement that. And then we have to bring this one for utility. And this one, if you don't know what utility is, you can watch it on the previous video, that I did before. And I explained to you how I did the roles. So this one is going to be role admin. So if you're not an admin, you're not going to have access to that. So let me go ahead and hit Control F5. And then you guys will see how that particular page will be blocked. Come on, go ahead and build. Taking too long. All right, so now if I want to go inside products, see, it says page not found. So it's asking me to log in. So now if I log in as an admin, let me go ahead and log in as an admin. Let me go ahead and hit log in. All right, so now if I want to go back to there, it says products. See, now I can see it. All right, so and if I want to go ahead and add up a product, I can't. Let's actually do the, let's go ahead and implement one for the product types. Let's go ahead and do all of that real quick. I'm going to go ahead and do that so that way, and then you guys will see. All right, guys. So I'm over here in the startup, and we're going to need to add up some. It's called configuration application cookie. You can actually enter that inside Google, and Microsoft actually tells you how to put it in. So what I did is I implemented this over here, so that way when I build a project, let me go ahead and build a project real quick. And when I build a project, instead of showing this blank page, you'll see it. So if we go here inside that, let's go ahead and go to the admin user. See, it's gonna drive you. It's gonna direct to for you to log in. So again, if you want to go ahead and try to access my blog, oh, I thought I blocked that. I guess I didn't. You go ahead and go to my message. Yeah, see, I guess I missed one. So let me go back over here. I missed one. Let's go to the controller areas inside here. I thought I did. Yeah, see, I missed. So let me go ahead and copy this real quick. Inside the blogs. Let me go ahead and implement that. And yeah, okay, so now we have that. So remember, every time you change anything inside the controllers, you have to build it, because if not, it will not take effect. So, okay, so again, so if you guys want to read it on your own about how to implement the cookies inside your application, you can actually read it there. Let me go ahead and close this one. Go ahead and close that one. All right, so let me go back to the panel and hit blog. Yeah, see, now it's asking me to log in. Let me hit messages. No, nothing. I hit category. Okay, category, I don't have it. So that's why it's not showing. All right. So now the last thing I want to do is go ahead and hide this. I want the admin to see that panel. So that'll be the last thing that we're going to do. So let's work on that right now. All right, so now I'm going to go here where it says layout. Let's go ahead and close these pages, go to the view, go to the layout, and let's look inside the, okay, so on the very top over here, we're gonna have to use using, and the name of the application, which is mine is gonna be Aspnet core demo, and then we're gonna use utility. Okay, so that way we can have access that we can actually have access inside the application. So, oh, actually I already have it in there, so I don't have to do that. All right, cool. So we already have that, forget about that. So now we can actually navigate. We can go over here where that says navigation. So we're going to focus on the drop down. So we don't want to show the drop down unless you are an admin. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an if statement. So I'm going to do if a user it's going to be is enroll, and I'm going to implement the SD for utility, and this one is going to be role admin. So let me see, admin, and we can also give access to employee. So let's say the admin, or if you are an employee. So this one is going to be user dot it's enroll. And this one we're going to do SD, and it's going to be employee. So now let's go ahead and let's go ahead and hide this over here. Let's copy all of that. Copy. All right, cool. So now I'm going to go ahead and Control R again. And this should be gone magically. That's the power. I love that. See, nothing is gone. Voila, it's beautiful. All right, so let's look over the application. I mean, it's been a long, long application. I didn't expect this to be, I didn't expect the application to be this long, but hey, it was fun. It's fun. I learned quite a bit, and I mean, it's see the products is there. Right now, it's not showing anything on it. Okay, see the 0. Let me go ahead and log in. Let me go ahead and log in as an admin. Go ahead, sign in. See, now we have the access to the panel. So now, see, we can actually access the users. See, we have access to that. Let's go ahead and add up a product. Let's go ahead and add up a product here. Actually, no, before we add up a product, we have to actually add up the special tags. So I'm gonna do a special tags, and this one I'm gonna call them this one Angular web app. So I'm gonna go ahead and save that. Oh, see, save it. I'm gonna go ahead and save product types. This was gonna be, let me go ahead and add up one. This one's gonna be HTML, and let's go ahead and save it. All right, so see, now let's go ahead and add up a product now. So now inside the product, I am going to go ahead and add up a new product. This one is going to be, let's go ahead and name this one. I'm going to name this one single page application. The price on this one, if you want me to build you a single page application, I'm going to charge you 5,000. You know, and let me go here inside the pitch, actually inside images. So let me go back to images. I thought I had more images. I guess I don't have the image. All right, let me look for more. I thought I had more images. Okay, it's okay. I'm just gonna use this one as an example. Okay, so the product color, I'm gonna put that red. So those are the only thing, and it is available. So if you guys want me to make you a nice web application using Angular and ASP.NET Core, come to me. I can do that for you. All right. So let me go ahead and save it. See, that's that. So now, if I log out, and if we go to products, boom, it's right there. See, and you can click on details. See, and it tells you it's in stock. Amazing, right? So. And you can add it to the cart. See, you can go here, you can add it to the cart, and you can go back home. See, that's cool. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. So see, it's a lot. This application has a lot of features. You know, it's using different technologies like ASP.NET Core, SQL, SQL-like. You can change it to SQL Server if you like. I like using SQLite, especially when I'm developing something. Here I'm actually using external API, so I can do that. So it's using a lot of CRUD operation here. You can do, look, over here in the first video, it actually tells you how to do pagination. See, so if you haven't watched my previous videos, check it out. Let me see. You can register now. You can log into the panel, to the admin panel. Let me see. All right, so if you log into the admin panel, you can actually, you can edit if you like. So let me see if I want to change it to, I'm going to change this one, single page app. Let me go ahead and save it. See, now it's, let me hit update. See, now it's, wait, it's not supposed to do that. Oh, that's a detail page. I'm sorry. That is this one here. Let's change this one to, let's make this one single page application. Let me go ahead and hit update. See, now it says single page application. All right, so you can toggle this. What else we have here? You can actually check your messages. See, there's no messages there. Let's say somebody wants to send me a message. You go here where it says contact. You can actually go there. So let me put down, let's put down, let me put down Martin's Devs just for that. And I'm just gonna put down email address. I'm gonna use my personal one. Let me put down, I love I love the video. I love the video. Love the video. Can you make some more? Can you make some more? All right, so I hit send messages. Oh, see, and then uses this nice notification there. So now me as an admin, I can actually go to my messages and I can see it there. And if I want to go ahead and delete it, I can. Are you sure you want to delete it? I'm gonna hit OK. Boom, it's gone. And I'm using over here. This one here is persisted, so it's actually staying on the in the database. So yeah, so this is it, guys. Oh my God, this was a lot of fun. Like I said, stay tuned for more videos. I don't know. I'm still thinking if I'm going to add up more features to this application. I don't know. But anyways, guys, it was a lot of fun. Hopefully you guys also had fun building this application. If you have any questions, make sure you leave it on the bottom of the video. You know, make sure if you're not a member of the channel, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. And you know, if you have trouble with building an application, don't forget to check out my GitHub repository. You can actually go there and check it out, or check out my website. You can actually send me a message there, or you can go to my Facebook. You know, but anyways, guys, love the support from the new subscribers, and stay tuned for more. See you guys in the next video.